As Africans, we still have a lot to learn, which is why if you can look at all of the African people, even in the diaspora, they remain at the bottom of the food chain. We have a lot to learn, but we also have a lot that we need to unlearn, like self-hatred. We need to unlearn self-hatred. We also need to unlearn disunity. We need to unlearn the disunity that was engraved in our brains. We also need to unlearn the inferiority that we carry on our shoulders on a daily basis. It's hard, but we have to. We have to.